Okay, so to recap our World Book student, we'll start with the cons and end on a high note, a positive note of the pros. So the cons are that it is limited in the types of limiters you can use to search. You really don't have too many to search with compared to a lot of other databases. You can't search in different languages. You can read the content in different languages, but you can't search in another language. There are ways to save the content, but you cannot save your search history to come back to it later. There are no RSS feeds or alert options to send to your email, to tag you, to notify you of something. The previous searches that can't be saved in order to edit them, you have to start all over with a search. And depending on your school district's contract options, you may or may not have access to the My Research Portfolio for students, which I would hope you would, because it's a great tool to have when you're working on a research project. Now let's move on to the pros.